There's 2 bell pepper on here.
An officer watches through the store cameras as a woman calmly slides steaks and jewelry past every register in the building. Nothing unusual, just another shoplifter who thinks she's slick. But the second he walks up to stop her, something about her face makes him pause, like he's seen her exit these doors before.
Yeah, we watched her conceal.
All right, come on, give him the stuff.
Supposed to be here.
Has she already been trespassed? Find me that trespass and she'll go to jail. Come on. Off the cart, please.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're not sorry. I'm taking stuff out.
Okay.
I'll get your action code.
Okay.
Check the receipt. I'm not sure about what's in here.
Y'all gonna get rid of all of this? Mm-hmm. Because it was in her. I assume.
Where's your receipt, man? I'm not sure.
So she rang this up 3 times. That one. There's 2 bell pepper on here. That's great. I do pay for it. No, you did not. You paid for bell pepper 3 times. I got the salads. Peaches, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 peaches.
Give me your driver's license, please.
I have.
Anything else continue?
No, Tom, I need to put my purse.
Officers in charge.
Here's something from our store. I mean, I can print out all of them if you need it, but
What was this, 23?
Yeah, but it's been an
Just hold that, put it with the paperwork.
Those are on there. This is my code number.
I need to make a copy of it.
What's page it?
Working an accident.
I need to make a copy.
Are you able to come to the office?
192.
You can swing your car around there.
No, I can't understand your traffic.
You won't be able to drive.
Sir, I'm not able to understand your traffic.
So you have been trespassed from Walmart before in 23, several other Walmarts apparently. You're gonna be charged with a felony this time, and you're gonna go to jail today. You are under arrest. All right.
It's right here on the desk.
So I'm gonna.
Until they come to my purse.
That's gonna go with you to the jail. Is she here in the parking lot? Yeah, I don't care where your phone at.
My phone, I don't have my phone. Can you call her?
I'm not calling anybody.
Did you let her know to leave?
That's gonna she'll figure it out. Where is she parked at?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Oh my question. I hate being short. Well, take it, return it because I can't.
I need a total for everything that she took.
Yeah, I'll get this, but the food, are you gonna keep it?
Return it if I can't.
She's asking for you to return it.
Okay, Okay, then I need your EBT card with your PIN number wrote down.
Okay.
Because I have to have that to go back on it.
Okay.
That's all.
Step out, bro. Where's your EBT card at?
It's on the side.
That it?
I have.
Yeah, but
Says she got 2.
James Wiggins.
this one says Timothy.
Jamie.
125.
This one you
Would you watch her for me, please?
He said he had parked one before, so I figured let him do one.
Nice. Is she searching in there?
What?
Yeah, she's searching.
Yes, she is. Deep dive in there.
It's bad, man. She stinks.
I'll see you later.
No, it made me no difference. I don't care.
We'll do the report. Easy enough to do.
Y'all want it, y'all can have it.
Hey man, I'll do it. You ain't the whole thing.
You want to take strings?
I will. Yep.
Straight to the
I'm gonna go get that. Okay, I'll change. No, you the best.
You smell that? Lord have mercy. Then when you gonna give me some of that money you got, man?
Man, no.
You got it, you got it all, man. I'm just trying to get like you.
I promise you won't be a little bit better off than me.
Trying to get like you.
How you gonna get? There's no, you ain't calling nobody. You ain't calling anybody. Back to police department, you're going to jail. That's it.
Sound like a black man. I know, right?
I know you want to try to break that, flip that back.
So when you flip it, just push down on there.
No, man. I'm trying to break it. That's too expensive for me. I ain't got Devon Smith money.
I wish I had Devon Smith money.
Whose money you got? Is that whose money you got there?
Like I said, I got my money.
Well, I feel that.
They take it every couple weeks.
They wasn't even kind enough to let me win that lottery the other day.
Ain't nobody win it. They had 2 drawings
No,
too, back to back.
somebody
didn't they? Oh, for real?
Yeah.
No, for real? 100 and some million?
So 2 people had winning tickets.
Or something.
There was one in Missouri, and there was one that a college kid in a fraternity at Texas University won. So they're splitting the 1.8 in half.
I think that was it.
I'd quit college.
Oh, yeah.
I can promise you this, man. I wouldn't be working for nobody else.
No.
Immediate 2 weeks.
Yeah.
But you got that check hits the count, I'm gone. Good luck to everybody else.
This is yours.
Thanks.
Here's the card.
Things in the notes.
Put the hot your report date and then your report right here. Alright.
Thank you.
Oh, I don't know meeting.
Thank you, Marie.
Hey, tomorrow is Dennis's 30-year anniversary.
You been here 30 years?
Take that little
Oh,
man.
I hit the Walmart.
Damn.
No.
When you retired?
When I can afford to. Sure.
Jeez, boy.
Is she here? She's like out in the parking lot waiting on you.
She know you were there still?
She thought she was gonna get those steaks.
Ain't nobody get them steaks.
You had to put any pursuits on them cars like the state police do.
Not yet. Nah.
They put it on them, don't they?
Hey. I don't even know why they run in the first place. But,
I
yeah.
don't either.
All right. You too, man. Have a good day. She got to pulling out them steaks. I said, oh, no, not you. You
I get up there, I said, oh God, you aren't putting those back on the shelf.
Oh, I got a twang to it.
Something wrong with it.
That'd be bad.
Oh, Lord.
You change your seats between. Yours, this one's got the time one. That one don't have to keep every one of them in my hand.
I just want to say thank you for transporting for me.
Yes, you're welcome.
You're amazing.
I heard that, they're stuffing it, so I checked in right. I figured y'all had it handled.
I heard Ricky say something
Yeah,
about.
well, you need to start turning. I said, sir, he's hiding stuff in her clothes.
Hush.
When did you start talking on the radio?
You know you watch these videos. You better quit.
Sir, I'm sorry. Appreciate it. So, only one given a court date is Mallory?
I think so. Hot Springs.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think she was 53 out of us too.
Was she?
I think so.
I have to check.
It's gonna be commercial burglary. And she has a history of theft, a conviction of theft, all the way back I think to 2009.
Well, that sucks.
So she ain't new to the game. She true to the game.
Real OG right here.
I need one of them.
I'm about to say.
When they get them out,
I
I didn't know you could buy T-phones with an EBT.
you can buy anything almost.
food stamps.
You used to,
Food stamps, you
some
can buy
people used to
anything.
could get cash back, like so much cash out of them.
Yeah.
No, we don't need all that.
No.
I didn't need the EBT for the food. If I cut my food expense and grocery expense and man, oh dude, you talking about money?
Another new phone next month.
I have 3 phone foldables.
I have one.
Juggle 'em.
You're like, man, I need that new phone.
I got you. Here you go, boo. Boy, she getting the hell out of that step time today.
Yeah, she is.
I said, Posse ain't playing around. She must got a trip or something coming up, vacation or something.
Yeah.
Gotta be.
We just waiting on her sister, daughter, cousin. Are you the cousin, sister? There we go.
We're going to be exchanging trail for food. Exchanging trail for food.
You actually working today? Okay. Appreciate it. I might need to pull my car up here.
I will.
Make her walk.
Well, Smith said she got legs.
Make her walk.
Did you see the trouble I just went through to get her to get up?
Make
to
her
the
walk.
surge?
She walked from that cart into there.
She got up and bumped me into this door. I said, oh, I'm sorry. I said, go away.
I didn't even want to don't want to yell at her.
It's up to you, man. Go grab it. Oh, I'm just messing with you.
Maybe
I'm just here for support
I'm
of
not
it.
going to say
Yes, that's what
what I was about
When
to
do I
say.
get one?
If me, you'd have one out.
It ain't. That need soap
You get hot water, you pull it.
Borat.
She said borax.
That ain't gonna be enough.
You gotta pull them steaks out of us. You put them steaks back on the shelf, man.
I thought Arby's had the meats.
You got them steaks back on.
Put them on there, man.
That's one of you. That meat bag.
Yes, I'll take you out there.
Oh, good gracious. Hello.
Gotta wait sometimes, but they do provide. He's like, I ain't been over there for Shoplifter before. I'm like, they'll have
You ever had this place here?
Yeah.
Is it good?
The food's good. It's a little pricey, but the food's good. Burgers.
All right. You ready to roll? All right. You know you're gonna take that one. Just imagine me being bumped into the door after this. Right there.
Give us a second.
Clear shot. Got it clear.
Turns out that Paz was right. This wasn't her first time walking out with someone else's steaks, and it wasn't her second or third either. With a theft history stretching back over a decade and trespass warnings from more Walmarts than most people have ever shopped at, she hands over an EBT card, asks someone to pull her ride around like she's clocking out from a shift, and never once looks rattled, because for her, this stopped being a big deal a long time ago. That's the part worth sitting with. Somewhere along the way, getting caught became just another Tuesday. If this one got you, hit subscribe. I post these every week, and the next one might make you rethink how these patterns get missed for years. Drop a comment. How many chances is too many?